Today, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful if you're managing work across different organizations or if you need to switch between a personal and professional account without constantly signing in and out. First, let's start by locating your profile icon at the top right corner of the Microsoft Teams interface. This is typically a circular icon that displays either your profile picture or your initials. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll see several options appear. Look for the one that says Add another account and click on it. This option is specifically designed to allow you to manage multiple Teams accounts simultaneously, which makes juggling different workspaces much more efficient. After clicking Add another account, you'll be presented with another screen. Here, you need to click on Create or Use another account. This step essentially tells Teams whether you want to add an existing Microsoft account or create a new one altogether. For most users adding a work or school account, you'll be using an existing account. Now comes the crucial part. You'll see a field where you need to input your email address. Type in the email associated with the account you want to add to Teams. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any issues down the line. Once you've typed it in, click Next to proceed to the verification stage. Microsoft Teams takes security seriously, so the next step involves verifying that you actually own this email address. Click on Send Code and Teams will immediately dispatch a verification code to the email address you just entered. This is a standard security measure to ensure no one can add your account without your permission. Now, open your email inbox in a separate tab or window and look for the verification email from Microsoft. It should arrive within a few moments. Once you find it, copy the verification code provided in the email. Head back to Teams, paste the code into the verification field and submit it. Teams will instantly verify the code and add your account to the platform. And that's it. You've successfully added another account to Microsoft Teams. Now, you can easily switch between your different accounts whenever you need to, making it much simpler to manage multiple workspaces or organizations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.